Oh, dude, this. All the things. This is the perfect steak breakfast. Well, I
want
think
to
so.
see what you just said, like written on paper.
Yeah, we should actually write that down.
Yeah.
But this is what it looks like. Welcome to the set, everybody. My name is CJ. Right over there is Nate. Right over there is Ethan. And right over here is your best friend.
Who are you?
You know who I am.
I do.
He's the neighbor you always wanted.
Your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
I'm so glad that you guys are here on the set. Today is a special one. We're doing a Griddle Nation inspiration from our girl, Kelly King. And speaking of Griddle Nation inspiration, I figured since we're doing this, we might as well have everybody join in on the fun. Also, if this is your first time watching, get ready. It's gonna be a madhouse. So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first show. First thing we gotta do is get some thick cut bacon going on here because it's breakfast. And what kind of breakfast would it be if you didn't have bacon?
The kind without bacon.
You're right. Now this is, I'm taking inspiration from Kelly. So she was like, she had some leftover steak. I
did
not have leftover steak. And
but we got that.
But we do have that beast right there. She also had a fried egg and she did some dill on there, which I dig. But I had some idea, or some might say ideas, plural.
No big deal.
No. Yeah. So I've got some red bell pepper, and the reason...
Oh, big chunks like that?
Yes.
Oh.
I like them chunky. I'm gonna be caramelizing this at the front end because we're making a chimichurri roja. Oh yeah.
I dig it.
And honestly, I think you could, if you wanted to, you could do this raw, but caramelized, I've had it before and it just goes
brings out the sweetness.
It goes so much better in your chimmy.
It's like Jimmy Eat World said. The sweetness.
Jimmy Eat World?
That's what I said.
Shimmy Eat World? Yeah! Can I get one? Yeah. And none for Gretchen Wiener.
Thanks for being such a great friend. Love, Regina. That's so sweet.
But speaking of Gretchen Wiener, we got a minute. We're gonna ring in the new crew. And what is the new crew, you ask? The new crew is maybe you. If this is your first time watching, let me know down in the comments below and you'll make sure to get a little highlight, a little spotlight, a little 15 seconds of fame, if you will. So first off, we've got, oh jeez, the maggot.
Oh man.
That was awesome. Welcome to the crew. I've also got Diva 9000.
Hey Diva.
We've also got, let's see, Rakchazakazamats. I'm not even kidding.
That's my middle name.
Rakchazakazamats.
That's a lot of sounds.
Yeah, all those. That's a whole lot of sound. And oh, I did the maggot twice. That's my bad. So, to all you new viewers,
What a nightmare segment.
welcome to the crew.
On your feet, maggot.
Yeah.
Why don't you try some noodles?
Speaking of chimichurri
Jimmy Eat World.
Chimmy Eat World. That was awesome.
It was so good.
Dude, I make chimmy often because it is so
Chimmy.
right.
Chimmy.
Right. I met a girl.
A biscuit.
I said it. I stole my mama's credit. I'm cool. I'm hot. Sock you in the stomach 3 more times.
I've got equal parts Italian parsley and cilantro
Oh, you go
here.
equal parts.
Well, it's just the amount of parsley and cilantro that I purchased today.
I generally go like 80% cilantro. I realize
that's
some
a
people
large
I'm
percentage.
a big fan of cilantro.
All right, fair enough.
Over the years, I got to be quite a connoisseur of soap.
You know what? What I'm also a big fan of?
What?
Bacon.
Not burning it?
Not burning it. So let's
You haven't burnt the bacon in quite a while.
It's been a minute,
Dude,
but
that
for
looks
some reason,
Gorgeous.
you build bridges all your life. You're known, and then you burn bacon one time, and everybody knows you as a bacon burner.
I've seen someone online, and by someone I mean it wasn't. I don't know who said it. Is CJ the bacon?
Yeah, I don't like to be like I don't like to be talked about like that hurts my
Push
feelings.
Bennett.
Dang it.
Everything's coming up Millhouse.
Now our chimney has a few more ingredients to get going here. Of course, our caramelized red bell peppers will be there in just a moment, but we're gonna get going on these Fresno red chilies.
Nice.
I've also got some shallots.
Some shallot.
Shallots, which is a delightful ingredient. Lemons and limes, of course, you gotta have some garlic today. I'm gonna use a microplane, and we're gonna get this garlic all yummy inside of
dang.
here. Got some salt, some pepper, and
Chimney is amazing.
Chimi's fantastic.
Chimney world is amazing.
That's awesome, dude. We've been working a lot. Let's working up an appetite over here. Our bacon is looking perfect, so we're gonna go ahead and pull that off, let it drain, and have a moment because it's
Silence or
the sound
of
silence. Well, let's bring the party back up with the ribeye. Woo! Now, this is important for this Griddle Nation inspiration. Kelly, she had some leftover ribeye, so that's why she's decided to make this awesome little breakfast magical.
This thing's a monster.
It is a monster, which is why I'm going extra heavy
I noticed
with
that.
our seasoning. Blackstone Steakhouse seasoning, definitely a must.
Man, that's a good looking.
Bro, this is gonna take a
good
minute
looking
to
steak.
cook too.
That's nice though, because in our past episodes, everyone at home learned a bigger steak.
I thought you were gonna say that I burned it or something.
No, I was trying to congratulate you.
Thank you for the congratulations.
The animosity.
We've got this leftover bacon fat.
Oh yeah.
This is going to be how we get that righteous sear. Now, he's a righteous dude.
No, good one.
Thank you very much.
Dude.
It's true.
Now we are at smoke point, which I think is critical.
And bacon fat.
In bacon fat. This is
Boink.
oh
Dude,
jinkies.
it's good.
Speaking of like a zoinks, I don't know.
Wow, that was it.
Did you know that one of the TV execs for Scooby-Doo, they were pitching the idea and everything, and they were having a hard time coming up with the name. He was on a flight, couldn't sleep, was listening to Frank Sinatra, and he heard Frank Sinatra say Scooby-Doo at
What?
some point.
No.
Yeah, he was probably scatting.
Oh, scuba da bop boop.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
And he's like, turns out Sinatra never even said Scooby. It was just Dooby-Doo, but
Wow.
yeah, that's how they got the name.
Interesting.
I'm a Scot man.
That's pretty good.
Hang him. Dude, this steak is so money. Such a beautiful thick steak.
big one.
And because it's so thick and so beautiful, you gotta make sure you give it some time on this one. For sure, flip every now and then. You know, some
Multi-flipper kinda
There's
guy.
multi flips going on here. Also, fun thing, pull some of that bacon fat, or push it, should I say, into the corner. We're gonna be searing
Oh, for the fat?
the fat caps, dude, on both sides. So we're getting
I
a nice
got-
sear along the edge. Of course, it's gonna continue cooking. When it's done, you gotta have a few minutes to rest on this. Do not pull it
Been
and
through
slice
some
it.
stuff.
It's been through some stuff. Do not pull and slice right away.
Take a nap.
Give the juices a minute to cool down. We're gonna also clean now because we're gonna get some toast going and some eggs. Scrape it off to the back, get that nice clean surface. That's definitely what
Dude,
we're
you
looking
still
for.
using some more bacon fat for the bread?
It turns out that I am.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna pull some of that fat over
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Gonna get a toast on both sides. We want the texture on both sides. Getting it on both sides allows so when we start piling on all those goods, it still stays
sturdy
crispy.
base.
You got a sturdy base. That's exactly right. Now it's time to get to our eggs. I'm gonna use some more of that fat, dude. I'm playing in the fat.
Dude,
what can I
your
say?
one-hand technique is pretty fantastic.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I do appreciate it. These are money. Season them with some Blackstone Steakhouse seasoning. Now our steak has had a chance to rest for a few minutes. Let's slice that up. Big chunks. Don't go small. Don't even try to go small because it's so fatty, it needs to be in larger
yeah.
portions.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna spread some of this Wholly Guacamole. Make your own guac if you want. This is definitely a great option for you. Gonna drop down some bacon. Now, speaking
Dude, you
of bacon,
could stop there. Bacon
you
avocado
could.
toast?
You could stop there. We got some chopped bacon. Go large chunks. Top that with some of that sliced and diced steak.
Boom.
Then here we go. Your chimi's coming into play,
Smells
dude.
so good.
Now make sure here, don't get all the juice because it is gonna make your toast really, really
Ooh.
soppy. So
Good point.
leave the juice behind. And then, bro, our eggs look amazing. Dude, check out all that bacon fat that it's been cooking in. Money.
Not diet food.
Drape that over the top. Gonna put a little more chimi.
More chimmy?
And dude, this is a Kelly King Griddle Nation
Dude.
inspiration. Kelly, you are a boss. We've got to try
Scooby
this.
Dude.
Dude, I am quite excited about this. Kelly, how'd I do? What do you think, honey?
CJ, dude, that is awesome. Thank you so much. Tell Nate and Ethan, save me a plate. I'm on my way.
Should I? Yeah, I should cut it. But let's do this first.
Your egg cookery and your steak cookery
Have
and your toast cookery
There's a lot of things
and
going
your
on.
chimmy cookery.
Well, thank
I'm just trying to compliment all of it. The bacon, dude, all of this is money.
Thank you.
Monopoly money, but it's still
It's still money.
valuable to some people.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah,
Just do it.
I know.
Just
I'm
do it.
just going. I'm just
You
going.
might have to stand.
Oh, geez. I might have to stand.
Stand.
This is a.
Well, here we go.
Let's do this.
Wow. What a bite. Okay. All right. Oh, we're still standing? No, okay.
The creaminess from the guac and the egg
Gosh.
is so great with that bacon, the salty bacon and steak. Chimmy, you got garlic and herbs.
Chimmy Eat World.
Dude,
It's one of my
Chimmy
new
Eat
favorite
World.
lines.
Wow. This is an extreme breakfast. You could have this for dinner. I'm gonna make this for dinner. Let me know how I did. You ever done chimichurri roja?
No.
The red?
Only with you, bud.
Thanks, bud. So good.
Yeah, bud.
Rojo is the color. Roja, I can't remember. I looked it up.
That sounds wrong.
You're wrong.
Thank you.
Let me know how I did in the comments below. Kelly, you are a rock star. But speaking of comments, my friends, it is now time for CJ's favorite comments.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Okay, welcome to the segment of the show where we screenshot.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
All right.
This is the segment of the show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
Truth.
If you guys write it,
We read it.
that is exactly right. So here we go, starting from the top in no particular order. This is from Stephen Nolels.
Yes.
Yes, all of that. Steven says, CJ, all the people that harass you on your show at the very end that leave comments don't understand that your show is more entertaining than the rest of them.
True.
That I've seen on the Blackstone cooking shows.
Well-
Keep up the good work. Steven,
Mostly true, Stephen.
very true, Steven.
I can hear you. I'm right here.
Yeah, because he has a show and his show sucks.
Whatever.
Oh, okay.
Ah.
Mitch Gunn
Oh,
has an
Mitch.
interesting observation.
You don't talk much, do you, Mitch?
Oh, that was great.
Wow.
That was great. Mitch says, CJ, keep being you. By the way, Nate totally threw underhanded comments to you the whole time. Bad Nate. Bad Nate. Bad Nate.
Listen up, Mitch. I like rice, especially when you want to eat 1,000 of something.
Oh, come on, Hedberg.
I got a belt on that's holding up my pants, and my pants have belt loops that hold up my belt. I don't know what's really happening down there.
All right, here we
Pretty
go. Woo, we got a little delay here on our audio.
Uh-oh.
All right, everybody, listen up. From here on out, Mitch is a made man.
The next one is from an oldie but goldie. You're not old, but you are gold. Cedar Oak Farms.
Ooh.
They've been hanging out for quite a
They
minute.
have been.
This is I wanted to say great wing recipe. Dang it. This is a great wing recipe.
Say that 5 times.
Can't wait to try it. The flavors must be from another galaxy of the CJ Griddle way.
Dang, what wings were those?
Griddling is about having fun. If you don't get that, they might want to go back to TV dinners and stop whining.
That's true.
That was the citrus garlic mojo wings.
Oh, those were money.
They were money.
Those
Cedar
were
Oak.
so good.
You guys rule. The wings were amazing. Welcome to my galaxy. All right, this next one is from Emmy Joe.
Hey, Emmy Joe.
Emmy Joe says, video divertido, excelente receta, Felicidades. Felicidades. Which in translations mean... You know I don't speak Spanish.
In English, please.
Ethan, what do you think that translates to?
I have no idea. I wasn't paying attention.
He can't hear Spanish.
He literally has one job, just to stand there. And look.
Cute.
Revolting.
It's pretty rough.
Literally had one job.
I ain't giving it to you.
Por favor.
I'm gonna guess.
All right, this is great. This is from JTZR1.
Hey, JT Timberlake.
Okay, says,
Only
love
got
how
5
you...
seconds to save the world. Isn't that the song? I never understood that.
JT says, love how you kind of add Mystery Science Theater 3000.
Yeah.
I'm so glad that you noticed. Comment of the day for sure, because nobody else noticed.
That was fun.
We put a lot of work into that.
It's fun.
Because Mystery Science Theater is pretty freaking awesome. Thanks so much, guys, for hanging out. We really do appreciate it. Thanks for all the comments. Leave all the comments down below. The meaner they are, the more likely they are
Don't
going
say
to
that.
be.
They're all just going to be mean on purpose.
That would be
Oh,
funny.
I'm sorry. Yeah, go for it.
But the really, really nice ones that are creative, those will also make their way into comments of the week. But today,
Oh, what do we got there?
speaking of comments, we've got stickers from the Rose's backyard.
Oh, heck yeah.
He just got, whoa, I dropped a tack. That's going to come back to haunt somebody later. It's not going to be me.
It's gonna be May.
It's going to be May. Going up on the board. Hey, you guys got to hurry. We're running out of space here.
Hurry.
We've got a lot going on here. Roll. Good to see you. Oh, it's getting getting shy over there. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and all kinds of other recipes and fun stuff. Go to griddlenation.com. But at the end of the day, you got to remember that this is CJ's first cooking show.
It is.
Where we cook.
And we quote. And we...
Jeez, dude.
We're hiring.
Yeah, we are.
Whoa. Who was that?
Jimmy World. We'll see you guys later.